Hi everybody, it's Cindy. It is Thursday, April 4th, and I'm back for an update. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I've been having a couple of busy 2 weeks out in the garden. The weather here in Tennessee has been very nice, although you'll be in shorts one day and then it'll drop 30 degrees and get really cold. So it's a little bit of up and down as far as the weather. So not a whole lot of stitching, but I am going to share what I have been working on. It's been 2 weeks since my last update. So as you know, I finished stitching the Cricut collection summer, and I did fully finish the piece. So I'm going to get that and show you. Let's see here. Okay, so I got this frame at Hobby Lobby, and I just did a backing color of yellow and then this color on top, and somebody gave me these flowers, so I added those on the side, and I thought that was very fitting for the piece, and I can hang it on my wall now. How awesome is that? Let's see if we can bring it in closer. It is a beautiful piece and it's completely finished, and I can hang it on my wall now. The next piece that I was working on was a market release, and that is from the Honeymakers, and it's called Blackberry Wrap. Is the designer, and I'm going to bring that in. Let's see if we can get it close. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful design. Now, I did reach out to the designer. There was an error in the pattern, and she did correct it, and she was very apologetic. And the reason why it's not complete is I had to rip out a lot because the pattern was off, and I'll show you where that was. All right, so you can see it's almost done. And where it was off, it was this bumblebee over here. It was I just had to rip it out, and it was off a couple of things. I could correct it though, and I corrected it on my own. And like I said, the designer Karen was super nice about it. She apologized. I'm sending you a free pattern. She was super sweet, but I just wanted to let her know that there was an error because I had to rip out a lot, and nobody likes to stitch a piece and have to rip when we don't need to. So I'm going to bring that in a little bit closer. It really is. It's an awesome pattern. I'm almost done. I'll get there. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. She did correct the pattern, and she sent it out to all the distributors and suppliers. So I did want to let you know that if you had one of the original patterns, definitely look for that, because you don't want to have to rip out. The next thing I'm going to show you, I did get this. This was one of the patterns I was waiting on to get from Market, and this was, of course, everybody has the blue flower, the quilting bee, and I will stitch that at some point. It really is a beautiful, beautiful pattern. Love it. And I did get a couple of Stitchy Love in the mail. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna apologize right up front if in the last couple of months I've had a lot of things going on, and I honestly don't remember who I sent thank you cards to and who I didn't. So if you don't get one, I'm saying thank you right here, and please forgive me, because I do send thank you cards for everything, but my focus is not there. And I'm being honest about that, so you can't hurt somebody for being honest. I did receive a sweet note from Kay's Cross Stitch, and I just want to show you. Look at the pansies. Thank you, Kay. You have beautiful handwriting. Thank you. And I did receive an awesome gift from Lori Chicalone for Once Upon a Stitch. She has a YouTube channel, and I'll link that below. She sent me a surprise in the mail, and Lori, it was the perfect timing and the perfect day, and God always works it out that way. And she sent me some beautiful things. Couple of butterfly patches. Look how pretty they are. I love my butterflies. I can't wait to see them out in the garden. And she sent me this. I've never seen this before. And it's a piece to stitch something on. So I'll probably stitch some type of flower or something in there. It's very unusual. I like it. It's different. She sent me that. And she sent me the cardinal biscornus. And I gotta say, I've never done a biscornu. I know. Over 20 years stitching, I've never done one. But this one I'm gonna do. It's super cute. And she sent me some beautiful threads. Let's see the colors there. Super pretty. Lori, thank you so much. I so appreciated that. And the next gift I received was from Mary Rose from Stitch Bliss Corner. She sent me this beautiful, let's see if I could get it all in, this butterfly scarf. Thank you so much, Mary Rose. You really touched my heart. Listen, this community is so giving and so loving, and it's what I love the most about this community. I have some great footage of birds. One of the days I was actually able to get 3 blue jays eating at the bottom of my feeder on the ground, and I never hardly get any footage of the blue jays. They must have really good hearing, because as soon as I touch or do anything, they are gone. And I was super excited to get that footage, and there's all kinds of varieties of birds in the slideshow at the end. It's awesome. And I'm also going to include some pictures of everything blooming in my area. I do walk 4 to 5 miles a day, and the trees are starting to bloom and flowers. And you'll see those are not my flowers or gardens or trees, but they're beautiful. And listen, a little bit of sunshine in everybody's life is a little bit good. That is really all I have to share this week. I know it's a shorter video, but it's been 2 weeks and I've just been busy in the garden. All my gardens are set, everything is planted, and I could see a tiny bit of a little bit coming up. So I'll definitely be sharing that when things start blooming and growing, and I'm excited, the next month or so, everything will be growing. I hope everybody has an awesome week. And until we meet again, everyone, happy stitching. Oh my gosh, look, 3 blue jays, my favorite birds. I never see this. All 3 blue jays took off, they heard me.